strange being on this side of the camera, but I just wanted to have a quick chat with you. This channel's been going properly for less than a year, so I just wanted to have a look at the sort of videos I've been making. I've done slow TV in the countryside, slow TVs in the city, like here in Sutton, or there's the ones around the London canals, more sort of narrated videos. Let me know in the comments below which ones you like, and I can make more of them, or have some ideas for a few other types of videos. Might make one about the Sutton Twin Cities up here, these murals, or one might be on the London coal tax posts. There's one just here, one over the other side of the hill, one just around the corner, so that's 3 of them. We could go and find the rest of them. If you think that would be an interesting video, let me know. I could do some more if I can find them on lesser travelled footpaths, a bit like the footpaths nowhere around Gatwick. I've got a whole pile of leaflets for old footpath trails that I could do. They could be interesting to take a look at. Hopefully some of those sound interesting. If so, leave a comment below, let me know which one, or which of my existing videos you enjoyed, and I can make more like that. Or if you haven't watched any of my videos yet, you can go and do that now. I want to say thank you very much to my subscribers. As early adopters of this channel, you get to have a say in how it goes forward by leaving a comment below. Or if you'd consider subscribing, you can do that here now, and you'll get to see any of these new videos as soon as they're made. So thank you very much, and have a lovely afternoon.